This video is based on my personal experience. These are online side hustles I actually use to make money, not theory, not hype. And the best part, once you figure out what works, you don't need to reinvest the wheel every time. Okay, let's start with the first method, which is affiliate marketing. The first method was affiliate marketing, mainly through product reviews and comparison videos. Now, most people think this means just praising a product. It's actually the opposite. I found success by answering potential questions in mind and helping viewers decide between two options, like Hostinger versus Bluehost. When someone searches for a comparison, they already have their wallet out. They just need a little guidance to make a choice. One of the things I really like about this side hustle is that you only need to think of what to say once, because Hostinger and most web hosting services don't change overnight. So your next video can repeat 90% of the same info from the previous one. And that's perfectly fine because your next viewer is almost certainly watching it for the first time. And don't forget that competition is high, so you still need to keep publishing new videos to maintain rankings. But the key is answering the viewers' questions to help them take action. And just a few clicks from targeted viewers can convert, usually earning between $20 and $80 per sale. I forgot to mention that you don't need to worry about showing your face because you can still make good conversion review videos without showing your face. Just show or yes, record your laptop screen and keep saying what you liked about the product and what not. And don't forget to mention your affiliate link. Usually it is in the description and also shown on the video. This is my Hostinger affiliate program account, and as you see here, I got 3,700 clicks to my affiliate link and I converted around 1.59%. From out of those clicks, I made 59 conversions and the payout was $2,400 with an earning per click of 0.64. This means that for every click on my affiliate link, the clicks worth $0.64. This means that if I can get the same quality of clicks using paid methods, for example, through Facebook ads, any paid ads platform, and I pay zero point 0.5, I can make the difference. Don't worry about this EPC thing. Let's see the conversions. This type of report or this conversion report is better at seeing the conversions and the payout for each conversion. As you see, this, for example, on this date, I made this conversion, which is $26, $20, 40, 30, 37, 35, 35. Let's jump to the next tab. As you see here it's on this date I made us a commission of $100. This is totally normal in affiliate marketing. This is also one up above $100. This one is exactly $100 and 51. This one about $100 and $3. Let's check the third page. These conversions are average or normal with one above $100. And these are the videos responsible for those commissions. As you see, those videos does not have the thousands of views. A simple 53 views is enough to make conversions. Now let's jump to the second or the next side hustle. If the idea of having to publish video after video just to keep earning isn't your thing, then helpful how-to videos may be the perfect choice for you. I actually stumbled upon this kind of side hustle by accident. When I first started YouTube, I tried to promote Hostinger web hosting in tutorials like how to delete a website in Hostinger. I added my affiliate link in the description, but it didn't work as I expected. Reality, I converted zero. Still, it opened my eyes to potential of helpful content. It didn't convert because a viewer looking for how to delete a website is in Hostinger is already bought Hostinger, so he can't purchase another Hostinger account just for me. So the targeting was off. What I like about helpful tutorials is that they are the closest thing to passive income right now, which is my first and main goal for working online. Plus, they make the business more valuable, something I'll talk about later. How to do this side hustle is in a nutshell. First, open YouTube, then search for how to underscore, and then add a service name. You can start, for example, you can start with web hosting providers like Bluehost. So you type how to underscore Bluehost, or even platforms like TikTok or social media tools, for example, how to underscore TikTok. And then you will see a list of questions that real people search for. And you can start answering those questions in separate videos. One important tip here, niches differ in how much advertisers are willing to pay for. So, for better earnings without needing hundreds of thousands of views, stick to high RPM topics like web hosting. And because I talk from my own experience, let's share how much revenue I've made using or from this side hustle. As you see on March of the last year, I've made around 865, 67. On February, it was 760. January, 730. April, it was 680, 660, 614, around 600, 480, etc. Now let's jump to the next side hustle idea. The third side hustle is business flipping, building blogs and YouTube channels, growing them, and then turning them into digital assets that other people can buy. When your business grows thanks to your YouTube earnings or ad revenue, you can list it on platforms like Motion Invest, Flippa, or Investors Club to connect with buyers. Yes, these platforms take a small percentage of the sale price, but it's fair. They handle the process and make it easier to sell your business safely. For example, one of my projects averaged around $600 per month over the last 12 months, and it is currently listed for about $18,000. This is a great way to get cash to invest in building more digital businesses. These are the online side hustles that actually worked for me. What I like most about all of them is that they are repeatable. Once you figure out what works, you can keep scaling it without reinventing the wheel. If you want more realistic, experience based videos like this, subscribe and let me know in the comments below, and I'll share more lessons I learned along the way.